Today we are looking at the Tub Twista 2 by Toolceptions. This is not a paid advertisement. Toolceptions has no idea who I am, but this is a product that I have recently begun using and I absolutely love it. The Tub Twista 2 is quite the tongue twister. It's also an excellent tub drain extractor. Prior to purchasing this product, I have used quite a few different extractors to remove tub drains once the crosshairs have broken out. The Golden Extractor by RectorSeal is the one that I've had the greatest success with prior to the Tub Twista, but even then, my success rate was relatively low. The Tub Twista changes the game. Now you can hook this into a ratchet, but what I like to do is use a torque wrench. It's torque wrench rated, pops right in. Watch how fast this is going to remove this corroded drain. This drain is already stuck in place. This is a buddy of mine's house and he's already attempted to remove it. He was unable to do so. No shame to him, he didn't have this tool. You're gonna see just how easily this takes care of one of the more frustrating jobs that we come across as service plumbers. And just like that, it's out of there. I have yet to come across a tub drain that the Tub Twista has been unable to remove for me. My days of chipping away old drains or cutting them apart and slowly trying to piece them out without damaging the threads seem to be completely gone, and I'm really excited to be able to share this tool with you. I'll have links for everything you need to purchase to get the same setup that I'm using in this video's description. Some of these links are affiliate links, which means if you click them and proceed to make a purchase, I will make a small commission at no additional charge to you. Thank you for your support. If you don't choose to do so, it's quite all right. Thank you for watching the video. We're gonna go ahead and put the new drain back in using the Tub Twista as our installation tool. We're going to apply some stain-free plumber's putty to the flange portion of the new drain and begin twisting it into position. We'll now insert the Tub Twista and tighten it down. I'm gonna use a ratchet, not a torque wrench for the installation. We'll clean up the excess plumber's putty and install the new stopper. Now I don't know what kind of editing I'm gonna end up doing on this video, but as of right now, the camera's been rolling for under 8 minutes. And that includes setup time, getting my secondary camera in position, getting lighting set up, and doing prep work for this job. It also includes multiple takes where I said the wrong thing and had to redo my wording. 8 minutes, start to finish. This is a job that sometimes prior to the Tub Twista, it would take upwards of an hour if I had to carefully chisel and extract an old drain that didn't want to come out with an extraction tool. Because then, by the time you get it all out of there, cut the pieces where the threads are, you've got to spend time cleaning up the threads, and it can be a nightmare. Certainly they're not always that long, but if you are a residential service plumber like me, you know there's jobs where it can take that long. Since purchasing this tool, I have yet to encounter a tub drain that I can't just immediately remove with this product. This is hands down one of my favorite purchases that I have made in the industry. It takes a job that I did not previously enjoy at all and makes it an absolute breeze. Again, I'm not sponsored, they're not paying me anything for this. I'm making this video to help you out so that you know what you can get to make this job easier. Thank you for watching, you have a great day. The Tub Twista 2 is quite the tongue twister.